Hello, and welcome to Slow English Conversations. We're happy you're here. This is a quiet place, a gentle place, a place where time can slow down.
Here, there is no rush, no hurry, no pressure.
You can just listen. Let the words come to you. Let them pass gently.
We speak slowly here. We speak clearly, and we speak naturally, in a calm and relaxed way, about simple, everyday things.
You can listen carefully. You can listen while resting, while walking slowly, while sitting quietly.
You can listen while drinking tea, or coffee, or water.
You can listen while looking out a window, watching the sky, watching the street.
Maybe it's morning for you. Maybe it's evening, or maybe it's late at night.
Whatever time it is, this moment is yours.
Today, we're talking about everyday life and relationships.
About ordinary moments, simple experiences,
The kinds of things people don't always talk about.
but the kinds of things we all live through. So before we begin, take a slow breath in.
And let it out gently.
Let your shoulders drop.
Let your face relax.
There's nowhere else you need to be right now.
Just be here and listen, slowly.
Everyday life is made of small moments, very small moments. Moments that often feel ordinary. Moments we don't always notice.
They happen quietly, without warning, without attention.
Waking up in the morning, opening your eyes.
Realizing a new day has started, another day.
Maybe the room is quiet. Maybe it's already noisy.
Maybe you hear birds outside or cars passing by.
Maybe you hear voices, or maybe only silence.
Sometimes we stay in bed for a while, not moving, just breathing.
Thinking about the day, or not thinking at all.
Then we get up, slowly or quickly,
We wash our face, feel the water.
cold or warm, refreshing.
We look in the mirror, sometimes carefully, sometimes quickly.
Breakfast comes next, often simple.
Bread, eggs, fruit,
Tea or coffee, warm in your hands.
the smell, the first sip.
These moments don't feel important. They don't feel special.
But they shape how the day begins.
Most days are not exciting. They don't feel memorable.
They don't feel like stories.
But that doesn't mean they are empty.
Routine gives shape to our lives. It gives rhythm to time.
Doing small things again and again.
Making your bed, washing a cup.
Opening a window. Letting fresh air in.
These actions are quiet, almost invisible.
But they help us feel steady.
Some people leave home every day to work, to study.
Some people stay at home, caring for others, caring for themselves.
Some people walk, some take a bus, some drive.
The places are different, but the feeling is often similar.
There is movement, and there is waiting.
There is noise, and there is silence.
Sometimes the day feels very long.
Sometimes it passes quickly.
Sometimes we rush, without knowing why.
Sometimes we slow down because we are tired.
In everyday life, nothing big may happen.
No big news, no big changes.
But small things are always happening.
A kind word, a quiet moment.
A moment of stress, a moment of calm.
Even boredom has a place here,
Boredom can feel uncomfortable.
but it can also give space.
Space to think, or space to rest.
At the end of the day, we come back home.
We eat. We sit.
We scroll, or we read.
We talk. Or we stay quiet.
The body gets tired. The mind slows down.
Lights turn off. The day ends.
And tomorrow, it begins again.
Everyday life continues.
Quietly, steadily.
If you enjoy listening to slow, natural English like this, you can like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English too. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep making calm conversations like this.
All right.
We don't live alone. Even when we feel alone, there are people around us.
We share space with others every day, at home, at work, on the street.
Sometimes we notice them, sometimes we don't.
But they are there, living their own lives.
There is family, people we grew up with.
People who remember our past, who know where we come from.
Some family members feel very close, easy to talk to.
Others feel distant, even if they live nearby.
Family can feel comforting.
And sometimes complicated.
There are friends, friends from school, friends from work.
Friends we've known for years, and friends we met recently.
Some friends talk to us every day.
Some only once in a while.
Time passes, life changes.
But the connection can still remain.
And then there are people we don't know well.
Neighbors, coworkers.
People we see again and again, but never really talk to.
We recognize their faces. We know their routines.
A short greeting in the morning, a quiet hello.
A small smile, a nod.
These moments are brief, very brief.
But they are still connections.
They remind us that we are not invisible.
That we are part of something larger.
Sometimes we don't notice these moments.
But they affect how we feel.
A warm voice can change a morning.
A kind look can ease stress.
A cold response can make the day feel heavy.
Even silence can carry meaning.
People carry their own stories,
Their own worries, their own fears.
their own hopes, their own dreams.
We don't always see that.
But it's there, quietly.
Even strangers share space with us.
On buses, on trains.
In shops, in waiting rooms.
We sit near them, stand beside them.
Sometimes very close, sometimes far apart.
There is often silence between people,
Sometimes that silence feels peaceful.
comfortable, easy,
Other times it feels awkward.
uncertain.
But it is still shared.
Even without words, we affect each other.
A sigh, a movement,
A laugh, a cough.
small human sounds.
People shape our days quietly.
Often without knowing it.
Even being near others matters,
We are social beings.
even when we are quiet.
Most conversations in daily life are simple.
They don't need to be deep. They don't need to be long.
Talking about the weather,
Talking about work,
talking about the day.
asking someone how they are.
Sometimes we ask out of habit.
It becomes automatic.
How are you? I'm fine.
The words pass quickly.
Sometimes we truly want to know.
We pause. We listen.
We notice the answer.
Conversations don't need perfect words.
They don't need perfect grammar.
They don't need big ideas.
They just need attention.
Listening is often more important than speaking.
Really listening.
Not thinking about what to say next.
Not rushing to respond.
A pause can be part of a conversation.
Silence doesn't always mean something is wrong.
It can mean comfort.
It can mean trust.
It can mean understanding.
Some conversations stay on the surface.
We talk about small things,
Daily things.
and that's okay.
Not every conversation needs meaning.
Not every talk needs depth.
But even small talk builds connection.
It helps people feel seen.
And heard.
A few kind words.
A shared laugh.
A quiet moment together.
These things matter.
Daily conversations shape our relationships.
Slowly. Gently.
They become part of everyday life.
Quiet. Simple.
Human.
Relationships don't stay the same forever. Nothing in life really does.
They change slowly, often without us noticing.
People grow, they learn, they change their direction.
Life moves forward, day by day, year by year.
New responsibilities appear.
Work, family, daily duties,
Old routines fade.
things we once did every day become things we do less often.
Some relationships become stronger.
They grow deeper with time.
Shared understanding grows.
Words become fewer, but meaning becomes deeper.
Other relationships become quieter.
Not because something is wrong, not because of anger or distance in the heart.
But because life changes,
People move. People become busy.
distance can change how people connect.
Sometimes people live far away.
Sometimes they live close, but time pulls them in different directions.
Messages become shorter.
Calls become less frequent.
But less talking doesn't always mean less care.
Sometimes it means trust.
Trust that the connection is still there.
Trust that time won't erase everything.
Memories often hold relationships together.
Shared moments.
Shared experiences.
A laugh remembered.
A long conversation from years ago.
A difficult time survived together.
These memories stay quiet, but strong.
As time passes, understanding becomes more important than words.
Knowing when to speak and when not to.
Knowing that people change and letting them change.
Staying connected can mean different things.
A message once in a while.
A birthday remembered.
A thought sent silently.
A quiet feeling of care.
Relationships don't need constant attention.
They don't need daily proof.
They need patience.
They need acceptance.
Acceptance of distance.
Acceptance of change.
And sometimes, acceptance of silence.
Silence doesn't always mean loss.
Sometimes it means peace.
Life can feel busy.
Sometimes too busy.
There are things to do.
Places to go.
Messages to answer.
Plans to think about.
But calm moments still exist.
They are often small.
Easy to miss.
A quiet walk.
Feeling your steps.
Sitting alone for a moment.
Not doing anything.
Listening to soft sounds.
Wind. Rain. Distant voices.
Breathing slowly.
In and out.
Calm doesn't need silence.
It just needs space.
Space from rushing.
Space from noise inside the mind.
Slowing down is allowed.
Rest is allowed.
Even pausing for a few seconds matters.
Even listening to a slow conversation can help.
It reminds us
That we don't need to rush.
that it's okay to slow down. thank you for spending this time with us.
We're truly glad you chose to listen.
We hope this conversation felt calm.
And easy to follow.
You can listen again whenever you like.
In the morning,
In the evening,
or before sleep,
while resting,
while walking slowly.
or while doing something quiet.
If you enjoy slow, natural English,
You can like this video.
you can share it with someone who enjoys listening.
And if you'd like to stay with us,
Subscribe to Slow English Conversations for more calm, real English.
you can also leave a short comment.
Just a few words.
What small part of everyday life do you enjoy the most?
We'd love to read it.
Take care
Be gentle with yourself.
and enjoy listening.
Slowly.